Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class we will see about instr function. In the previous class we saw substr function, and in today's class we will look for instr. Okay, recording is there. Okay, so what is instr? So instr is the in string. Okay, in string. What does it do? It will it tells you it tells the position of the string. Okay, it in the substr string was returned. Okay, you were able to extract the string like 8, like ol. Okay, if you are passing the argument, right, you are extracting some string from a string, right, or column. Okay, this is substring function. But now I am telling you about instr function. This is in string function which tells the position of the string. Okay, so what is the position of the string? Means if you are a p p l e, suppose it is there. So what will be the position? A, for a it is 0. It starts with 0. Okay, starts with 0, 2 and minus 1. Okay, means apple, if for apple a will be at 0th position, p will be at 1 position, second p will be at 2 position, third p will be at 3, third l will be at 3 third position, and e will be at 4th position. Okay, so if you want to know a certain um, a certain character string position, you are uh, you will be using instr. So how it will do? Suppose I have a string like mm, like uh, like something, um, anything. Okay, anything, like anything, and I want to know the position of y. Okay, okay, so let's do it. So what will be the syntax? Syntax is so easy. First I will tell you the syntax. Select instr, it is like substr only. Just pass the string name or column name. Okay, so string or string, pass the string or column name. Okay, and then pass the string name. Pass the string you want to string or character you want to know the position. Okay, okay, and from blah blah blah. Okay, this is your syntax. Okay, so I in this scenario I'm going to pass, just taking a uh, dual table without any from clause. Okay, I have already told you about the dual table. Okay, anything. Okay, this was my string. I want to know the position of y. Okay, just I know want to know, I will pass y. Okay, and now you will see it is at third position. Okay, okay, in mysql it is taking at 1 2 3. Okay, fine, fine. In oracle it takes 0 1 2, but in mysql it takes uh, 1 to n. So let me correct it. So see, different compilers take things differently. Okay, okay, so in other compiler you may see that the position starts with 0, but in mysql it's quite easy. It is taking as a from 1. Okay, so it is, so from first to third. Okay, so y is the third position. So why I'm telling you this? Okay, let me give you one proper example so that you will come to know about this in a very cool manner. Okay, suppose I have uh, uh, like pre-admission, pre, and I have a hyphen pre-admission. Okay, okay. So I want suppose you have some strings whether in which you want everything before or after this hyphen. Okay, and your second word is um, post admission, post admission. Suppose you have. So in this case, are you going to count every time in your column, in your column? Suppose you have a column, suppose call one. Okay, okay, call one. Suppose I'm creating one. Let me create one table so that it will be very easy for you to create retail medical shop, medical shop dot temp call one, varchar 30, varchar 20, insert into medical shop dot temp values, and then I will insert these two records. Let me insert these two records. Okay, okay, these two records. And I have also one record, uh, pre-admission, post-admission, and and mm, uh, just let me two records only. Let me enter two records only, and we will about see about it. Okay, just let me insert these two records. And once you insert, why it is create table. Okay, and once you insert these two records, okay, table temp already exists, so temp 2. Why I'm not able to
Sir,
do?
in place of insert into medical shop, temp 2.
Yes, correct. Okay, so I'm able to insert the record now, temp 2. Okay, I'm happy that you have caught this temp 2. So because this is good thing. Okay, so I want everything. I want to analyze in my college. I want to analyze whether it's a pre-admission or the post admission. Okay, was a student active before pre-admission, was a student active after for certain activity post admission. Okay, okay. So in that case, let me select a star from um, medical shop dot temp 2. So in that case, I want whether it is a pre-admission or post-admission, whether it is a pre or post. Okay, just I want this only. Okay, so how will I conclude this? How will I extract this? Are you going to extract sub-str only? If you apply sub-str, let me tell you, if you are going to apply sub-str, what will be the consequence? Let me tell you. Call one. Okay, so I am, if you are applying pre, then it is fine. Okay, pre, so you will apply 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. So three letter, what it is there if it is pre. Okay, so let me tell you what will be the output if you are applying only substr. So see, this is pos. Because why it is pos? Because you are giving only three characters. Pre is okay. Okay, pre is okay. We are not concerned with the pre.
But we have given the column name. No, sir. Column 1.
Column one, no, 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 column one, he column one only I want to give. Okay, forget about column one. Okay, so and if you are giving four, then you will see what will be the result. Pre dash, and I don't want this. Don't want this. Post is okay here, post is okay, and pre dash is there. So in each case you will find some error, so find some discrepancies, okay, in your result. So how to remove this? How to remove this three letter and four letter consequence in the pre admission and post admission? Okay, so can you observe that before dash, if I am able to extract before dash, everything before dash, before this hyphen, not dash, dash or hyphen, before this hyphen. Okay, okay, I if I extract this one, everything, my motive will be clear. Are you able to get this? Are you able to get this?
Yes, sir.
Right? So in that case, let me tell you that in that case, where instr will come, instr, and what will be your motive, what will be your point? To search dash. Okay, and that's it. If you are going to search this one, you will see what the result is. First is 4 and second is 5. Okay, and that makes sense. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. It is at the fifth position and it is at the fourth position, and that's what it is reflecting. Okay, so now the question arises, how to extract pre and post. If you are, see, instr solely is not going to work right here. What is the what is my output if I'm getting 4 or 5? No, I want pre and post as output. Okay, so it will be the combination of instr and substr. How? I will tell you. Just can you see here, you are, it is ambiguous. Here it is ambiguous. In some cases it is 3, in some cases it is 4. Right? So if you put this one, here, okay, then can you see, then let's see what will be the output. Still our output will not be clear, but let me tell you what our output be. See, dash and dash still exist, but pre and post, we are close to our output, right? We are very very close to our output. Are you getting this point? Instead of
Yes, sir.
the last one, length, instead of the length, I am putting the position of the column, position of the dash string. So now,
Sir, in column 1, why you have given 1, sir?
oh, just enter column one or column, it's a name. It's a name, right?
No, sir.
Here,
After column 1, 1.
why? Because you want to start with one in substr.
Okay.
P is at the first position, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is one. You need to revise again and again. See, this is a crucial concept, because this concept will, because these are basic concept, right? And you need to some, just try to dig it. Okay, just try to dig it with various example. You try yourself. Okay, okay. So now, still my question was that my issue is that still this dash exists. Okay, so now in that case, what will I do? I'll remove this dash. Okay, how I will remove this dash? I will do -1. Okay, and that's it. And that's it. And when you see, you are fit with the result. Okay, admission type. Okay, and now you are fit with your result. I know this is looking very very clumsy. I know. It's very tough to understand in one go. But once you understand it, it's a very very easy concept, and it will give you very good pleasure when you solve this. How it is admission type pre? How it is admission type post? With sub str alone, you can't do it. So how will you do it? With the combination of substr and instr. Okay. I think I just I just believe you understand the concept of instr. Combination is still a very a complex thing, but think about instr is I believe you are able to get it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just think, see, SQL is just imagination. Okay, you once you visualize it, you are going to make it. Just visualize and then try to solve. Okay, I hope that makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So suppose I think it is fine now. So okay, so the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.